Are you using Samsung One UI 7? Then you might be missing out on some hidden features that can make your phone smarter, faster, and more fun. In this video, I'll show you the coolest tips and tricks you didn't know existed in One UI 7. And trust me, once you learn them, you'll never use your phone the same way again. So let's get started. Features. Number 1, vertical app drawer. Instead of scrolling horizontally to find your apps, One UI 7 lets you use a vertical app drawer for faster navigation. How to enable. Open your app drawer, tap the 3-dot menu, go to sort, and select alphabetical order. Your apps will now be listed vertically with a quick alphabet scroll bar on the side. Why it's useful. It's perfect if you have a lot of apps and don't want to waste time swiping multiple pages. Just scroll straight down to the app you need. Number 2, natural language search. In settings. One UI 7 brings AI-powered search to your phone's settings. You don't need to remember the exact menu name anymore. Just type what you need in plain English. Example, in the settings search bar, type "My eyes are tired" and it will suggest Eye Comfort Shield. Type "Change ringtone" and it takes you directly to the ringtone settings. Why it's useful, saves you time and makes finding hidden options effortless. Number 3. Browsing Assist in Samsung Internet. Reading long web pages is now easier than ever with Browsing Assist.
Smart Switch apps and services. Samsung Malaysia. Samsung's Smart Switch app makes it easy to transfer data to your new Galaxy device, regardless of your old phone's operating system.
How to use. Open any article in Samsung Internet, tap the menu, and enable Browsing Assist. It instantly summarizes the page, translates it if needed, and shows you the key points. Why it's useful. Great for quickly understanding long articles without reading the entire page. Number 4. Intelligent Wi-Fi switching. No more getting stuck on weak Wi-Fi signals. How to enable. Go to Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi, Intelligent Wi-Fi, and turn on Switch to mobile data when Wi-Fi is weak. Why it's useful. Your phone will automatically switch to mobile data when Wi-Fi is slow or unstable, keeping your connection smooth. Number 5, battery charge limit 80-95%. Prolong your battery's lifespan by setting a maximum charge limit. How to enable. Go to Settings, Battery Protection. Choose a limit like 80%, 90%, or 95%. Why it's useful. Charging your battery only up to a set limit reduces battery wear and extends its overall life. And that's it. 5 powerful hidden features in Samsung One UI 7 that can transform your daily smartphone experience. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.